So I'm home and I had a pretty good day today. Today is Inco Fest for my interns. They're downstairs getting prepared for that. I actually have to run the class in like 5 minutes. It starts at 11. I am off to my second class of the day. It's currently 4 and this class ends at 7. Sick. We just got a class. We're at Mickey D's. What'd you get?
Wakanda forever.
Anyway.
One of them that you have the toy and it's not even the right toy.
You have to rank the top 3 in all rounds.
Oh my.
Okay? We're gonna
Ain't that the misogynist song? Meow meow meow. Joe. Mondo. Great job. Anyway, I'm back home and I have a package from Japan. I got this off of Bai, which is a proxy service. I think that's what they call it, where you can buy things from for example, Japan, and they ship it to their warehouse in Japan, and then they ship it over to the US, or really wherever you're at, in this case the US. And so I've never used Bai before, so I was a little intimidated, but I have been in group orders and I kind of understand the concept. You pay the DMS and the EMS, domestic, well, EMS, I forget what EMS stands for, but I think DMS is the domestic price to get it shipped once it's in the US to you. So I think Bai has the same kind of process. So I just went ahead and browsed their Mercari site in Japan, and I found something. Let me explain. For a lot of Twitter users who are based in Korea and who have access to all these cool gadgets and K-pop photocards and collect books and holders, a bunch of stuff, stickers, and I saw that they had this Hello Kitty collect book and photocard holder, and I just said, I need to have this. And I tried to look it up and see if it was in the United States because it was Sanrio. Of course, it's not in the US. So I think it's exclusively in Korea. I wanted to see if someone from Japan had gotten it from Korea and was selling it. So I looked it up, and sure enough, on Mercari, someone was selling it, I think for $30. So I was like, oh, that's okay. I think it's worth the price considering it's a limited edition. I can't get it in the US. And so they shipped it to the warehouse, which was pretty cheap. And then I saw how much it cost to get it to the US, and I was like, oh, okay. I think it was about like $20 for 2 small items, which was not that bad. But I assume that if I were to get something a bit bigger or a bunch of things at once, because you can do that, you can ship everything into the warehouse and they all consolidate it into one package and then they send it over. But it costs a lot from what I can see. So it's expensive. And I would only recommend using Bai if you are getting a bunch of things and having it sent over rather just one package. It's fine. So I'm going to open it now. Hold on. So here is the photo card holder. This is so cute. This is gonna look so cute on my bag. Look, hold on. Can you see that? Cute. And here is the collect book, which is also super cute. I was okay with going without the collect book, but it was in a pack. And it was cheaper than getting the photo card holder individually, so I just got them both. So what I didn't know is that when I bought these two, I also got this one. I don't think this was in the description, nor was it in the photos. Maybe I'm tripping. I'm gonna go back to check, but I didn't think that I was gonna get this as well. So if they were just being generous and added that to my order, thank you. If I didn't read it, which is not entirely my fault because I am not fluent in Japanese, but if I didn't read it correctly and this was actually a part of this, then, I mean, either way, it's cool. I have an extra photocard holder. I don't know if I am going to keep it because I did see this before and I wasn't as interested in this as this one, but I don't know. And they also included some hand sanitizing wipes. That is cute. Cute. I kind of want to protect him, so I might try to force him into this. Think. Swag. So cute. I think this might be the best collect book and photocard holder I will ever want. Yes, these two. Also you. Definitely saying it's fine. You. Let's get that one. Maybe so we have the same one of this one. Which one's cuter?